Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang again, and welcome to this third video in a series on detoxification. And so this is Detox Step 3, the micros. So in the first video, we talked about cleaning out your source of toxins in the first place before you get started. Second video, we talked about the macros, and I focused on fats because that's one of the areas that people miss the most, are getting the good, healthy fats in their diet. And I only touched on a couple of the crucial ones. There's some other ones that are also very important. The third one, then, we're going to talk about the micros. Micros meaning those nutrients that we need in relatively small amounts. These are the vitamins, the minerals, other antioxidants that are critical for the cells to function at their best. So part of the process of trying to detoxify is to turn on the body's self-cleansing, self-fixing systems. The body doesn't function well when it's missing multiple key nutrients. And one of its main functions is to fix itself. Each of the cells have so-called fix-it mechanisms. And they also have mechanisms to help fix the critical parts of the cell. One of the most critical being the mitochondria. And so one of the things you're trying to accomplish in any kind of a detox process is to get your mitochondria working as good as they possibly can. And that is a nutrient-driven process. Now, it's completely goofed up if there's so many toxins pouring into your system that you're poisoning your mitochondria. But assuming that you've made some effort to clean that up, then it's critical that you start consuming the right micronutrients, the micros, so to speak, that will help the cells to fix themselves, to heal themselves, and especially the mitochondria to fix themselves, to heal themselves, to recycle themselves. And there are many, many different nutrients that fall into this category. Now, some people approach this strategy by cherry picking a few of what they consider the most important micronutrients and trying to get enough of, or a lot of, those nutrients into the cell. It has been my experience that there are many, many nutrients that play both direct and indirect roles in the cell's function and the intracellular functions, like structures like mitochondria. And I think it makes much more sense to have a nutritional supplement that covers all of these various bases rather than the cherry pick this, that, or maybe a third or a fourth nutrient. And when you use a strategy that provides all of the micronutrients that your cells may need, because you don't know what you're deficient in, and research has shown that people that think they're eating a very healthy diet are deficient in multiple nutrients. And so you don't know what you're deficient in. Covering the bases with the micros makes a lot of sense to me, and usually translates to people feeling a lot better. And it will make your detoxification process more successful, and as a long-term strategy will continue the process of detoxifying, getting rid of the junk that's in the body, so that the body can function at its very best. So I wish you well in your process of trying to achieve better health and detoxifying yourself. God bless and have a good day.